Hi, everybody. It's Deborah from workathomeenlineforfree.com. Thanks so much for tuning in and watching my video today. Today's video is just going to be a very quick step-by-step tutorial on how to make a blog post printable or converting a blog post into a PDF that someone can then print. I just decided to start doing this on some of my websites recently. It was a bright idea that I came up with that is working out really well as far as getting email subscribers. Just as an aside, just to give you an idea, what I decided to do was create checklists on certain topics, and I'm going to show you what I mean in a minute, for some of my websites, and creating the checklist, whatever it is that I'm offering, as a blog post on my website, and then making that blog post printable so that I'm not having to go to some other third-party place like Dropbox or any place like that to host these printable documents. I can do it as a post right on my website and make that post the printable document, which is a good thing to do, because anytime anybody goes to get that printable document, it's one more visit on your website for your Google Analytics and your traffic, and keeps them on your website longer. And there's a million different reasons. So if you're, whatever you're here for, and why, whatever the reason is that you want to make your blog post printable, first of all, if it's different than what I've just said, please tell me so in the comments, because I'm very interested in knowing, like, why, what do you want this for, what are you doing? We might as well share information. My information to share is that this is getting me a ton of subscribers to my email list. I'm going to show you this, so stick with me. You're going to find out what I mean, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Let me shrink my head down here and I'll show you. One of my websites, by the way, I am a full-time affiliate marketer. If you've not been here before, I've been doing affiliate marketing full-time as my job since 2015. It's going on 6 years now. I have several websites, and one of my websites is called peoplelovinganimals.com. I'll try to remember to put the link in the description box. You can go ahead and visit that website if you're a dog or a cat owner. It's a really cool website. I've been working on it a long time, and I love it so much. And that website, and also the website that I'm doing this video for, is workathomeenlineforfree.com, where I teach people how to do what I do. But anyway, one of my websites is called peoplelovinganimals.com, and I did a blog post, one of hundreds that I've done over the last 6 years, all about the care and training and health of dogs and cats. I did a blog post called "What Do I Need for a New Kitten?" And it's this nice long blog post, and it has a video, because I also have a YouTube channel called People Loving Animals, where I do videos about all this, stuff on peoplelovinganimals.com. And I did a blog post for "What do I need for a new kitten?" I did a nice post. I did a video to go with it. Well, I decided to offer a printable list. All right, this is the list. This is my website, peoplelovinganimals.com. They went there. They were on my article, "What do I need for a new kitten?" And then within that article, and then also the video, I say, if you would like a list, a printable list of everything we've talked about today that you need for your new kitten, go ahead and sign up. And I give them the sign up form, and they sign up, and then I take them directly to this page, which is, see this little printer here? So this particular blog post is printable. Now, the cool thing about this, and this is true if you have another hosting program like Dropbox, for example, is you can make it linkable. You can do that pretty much in any PDF, any format that you want to do. But I like it because it's links that I can just have right on my website. The thing I like about this is I like the convenience of it. I don't like to use a third-party source. I don't want to have to go and upload something to Dropbox and then have those links and then keep track of those links. And I just don't like to do that. I would rather create the list. I'm on my website. This is where I am. I'm working on my website. I've just written the article. The information is fresh in my head. It's on my screen because I'm in my website. So I want to create the blog post on my website while I'm sitting there. I've got all the links, at my fingertips. So I don't know. I just did it because it's much, for me, it's much more efficient. It's much faster. And like I say, every time somebody says, "Oh yeah, I'd like to sign up for this list," and they sign up, and then poof, they wind up on this page of my website. Again, it's more traffic on my website, more traffic. And if you're getting ad revenue and, you know, all that sort of stuff, every click adds up, right? Plus, it just keeps them on your website longer. And if they're going to be sitting reading a list that I made, I want them to be doing it on my website. You know, I want to get the credit for them spending the time with me on something that I've created. So, like I said, it's been really, really, really advantageous. I have gotten so many email subscribers just by incorporating this into my website. So no matter what your website is, if you have any sort of a printable list, it might be a checklist of things they need. It might be a checklist of the steps. If you're doing a blog post or a YouTube video about you're teaching somebody how to do something, this is fantastic for recipes. Absolutely fantastic if you have a recipe blog where you want to give them the printable version of the recipe. And again, other than just creating a PDF and having it hosted somewhere, have it on, you know, make it a page on your blog, on your website, and you know, get the benefits of that. Plus, like I said, it's very easy. If you want more about this, let me know. I'll be happy to walk you through this kind of thing. But I will show you today in today's video, because it's what you're here for, about how to create this. So here's my list. What do I need for a new kitten checklist? Here's how I did that. What I did was I used a plugin. Let me shrink my head down a little bit more. So if you have, I use WordPress. If you have your WordPress website, if you have another website, obviously you can add plugins. I happen to be on WordPress. The plugin I use is called PDF and Print by Best Websoft. And so if you don't know to add a plugin to your website, you go to your dashboard on your WordPress website, you go to plugins, and then you go to add new. And then you would type in the name of this, over here, it says search plugins. You would type in the name of it, and then you'll get a little box that allows you to activate it and install it on your website. And that's what I did. And then what happens is when you are in your, when you're creating this post, you can add that in. What happens is it ends up in your toolbar. When you're creating your post, it ends up in your toolbar as an option. So it doesn't make all of your posts all across your website printable. You can set it up so you're only adding that code to a particular post that you want to be printable. Again, if you want me to take you through that step by step, go ahead and say so in the comments. I'll do a tutorial for you. I think it might be easy enough with what I'm giving you right now. You create the, you add the plugin, and then you choose this option for whatever post you want to make printable. And then this is what people get. And then they can click this little printer, and they can either print it to a PDF if they just want to have it as a PDF, or they can send it directly to their actual printer and print the document. So I hope this wasn't confusing. I hope it wasn't too much information based on why you came here to watch this video. But I just wanted to share the information with you of, okay, yeah, this is how you do this, but here's a really good tip for you on how you can grow a really substantial email list by offering printables in your business. People will sign up all day long for any kind of a checklist or a to-do list or a cheat sheet, any kind of a cheat sheet, any kind of a recipe, all those sorts of things. So just get the wheels turning if you're not already, for your blog or for your website or even for your YouTube channel. If you can think of any sort of a list that you could offer people, then offer that to them. By the way, you may need me to do an email about how to set up that email list. If you look under the tutorials section, it's the tutorials playlist on my YouTube channel, you'll see tutorials about email marketing, and it'll show you how to do some email marketing tests. So you can go through some of those videos. But if you would like me to do a video specifically about, okay, how do you do this? Like, for example, in one of my articles, I'll say, like, say for the kitten article, I'll say, if you would like a printable list of all the things you need for your new kitten, click here, and I create a button and they go there, and then I create a sign up form. I personally use Aweber for my email marketing. I'll try to remember to link a video in there. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna make a note of it for myself right now. I'm gonna make a note to give you an email marketing video so that you can get some information about this. But you basically create the sign up form in Aweber, and then the sign up form lands on the post that is the printable list. And so you give them the link for the sign up post, they sign up, you get their email. In exchange for that email, you're linking them directly to the checklist. And I realize now as I'm talking, you might really enjoy and appreciate an actual step-by-step tutorial on that. So again, if you want more help with this, if you want me to go ahead and do a tutorial about this, please go ahead and say so, and stay subscribed so that you get that video when it comes out, okay? So again, if you have any questions, please feel free to comment. Please feel free to comment and share with me and the other viewers about what you're doing this for. Why do you want a post to be printable? What are you doing with it? We might as well share and help each other. So please subscribe to this channel if you're not already. I'd love to have you on board. I'm going to give you a link in the description box to go ahead and sign up for my email list if you'd like to. And I'm also going to give you some links for a company called Wealthy Affiliate. They're the ones that taught me how to be an affiliate marketer. As a direct result of their training, I am a full-time affiliate marketer. I've been doing it since 2015, and they do have a free starter membership. They have a really good program, and it does not cost a lot of money, and you can start it for free. So I'll give you the links for that too if you want to get some more training about this and absolutely everything else that has to do with making money online. Again, I hope I've helped. My name is Deborah, and my website is workathomeonlineforfree.com. Thanks again. Bye-bye.